In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix PS5 cannot play online. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go to status.playstation.com and check if all the servers are up and running. If not, you might need to simply go ahead and wait. If that is not the case, the second thing you want to do is simply go into your settings, then network and connection status to ensure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. If not, simply go ahead and click on test internet connection, and that should go ahead and fix your problem. If you have a strict NAT type, then you want to go to settings, network connection status, and check your NAT type. Type 2 is generally recommended. If not, simply go ahead and call your internet service provider. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and enable UPnP on your router. You can call your internet service provider for this as well. If not, simply go ahead and try restarting both your PS5 and your router. Then you want to simply go ahead and head into the settings, system software, and check if there are any updates. If not, you might need to simply open your PlayStation in safe mode and clear cache and rebuild data. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.